Hey guys, welcome back to MiniatureMayhem, where we discuss about Hot Wheels. On today's video, we are going to discuss about the 1956 Corvette, the Barbie edition, right? So this was produced in 2023, which is the current year, and this is the ninth car in that series. Now I got this for rupees 149 in India. This is a main line, right? This car is featured in the Barbie movie. So that's why, Hot Wheels and Barbie got together and then brought this model out because technically speaking, both Hot Wheels and Barbie are owned by Mattel. So that's how they just came together and then they bought this car out. So this is an all-electric resto mod of a 1956 Chevrolet Corvette. Like you can see over here, it says 1956 Corvette, which is from the brand Chevrolet. And then this was featured in the Barbie film, which was starring Margot Robbie, right? So this is the 1 by 64 scale version. So let's quickly, unbox this car. I mean, a lot of people save this card, but I don't really care about it, like I always keep saying. And let's just put this aside and check this out. What a cool car. The 1956 Corvette, guys. Amazing. So as you can see, this is a 1 by 64 scale model, and then this comes in, of course, the Barbie pink, right? And then if you notice on the front, it has some details like the headlights and then the indicators, and then if you see on the number plate, it also says Barbie over here, right? And then it says Chevrolet on the hood over here, and then on the side, if you see, there's also Chevrolet branding over here. Now there are no tail light detailing on the back, right? And then even if you come on this side, it again says Chevrolet over here. Now, like I mentioned, this is an all-electric retro mod, right, of the 1956 Corvette, and there's a left-hand drive like you see over here. Now if you see on the side, there's a box shape over here, right? That is where your electric nozzle would go, and then that is how you would charge your car. And then other than that, if you see over here, it says Chevrolet, right? I don't know if you can read that, and even on the sides it says Chevrolet, but then in the spelling of Chevrolet, the EV is highlighted, and it is made blue in color, so that this basically means that this is an electric car, right, which has a electric powertrain. Now the difference between the original 1956 Corvette and this is, of course, the electric powertrain. That is one thing, and then the second thing is the entire length of this car is a bit shorter, and then it has rear seats, right? The original cars did not have a rear seat. It was just a coupe, like with just two seats in the front. Now coming to the bottom, the car has a black plastic like any other mainline would generally have, and then it says 1956 Corvette on the bottom, and then this is made in Malaysia, right? So it just has a black plastic bottom, and then the windows on this car is a clear window, and then it comes with our aero disc wheels. Now there are a lot of cars on this channel which I have reviewed which also featured aero disc wheels. And then the original make of this car, so like I mentioned, right, like this car exists out in the real world. So the original makers of this car was General Motors. Now Chevrolet falls under General Motors, and then this was made in 1956 St. Louis, Missouri, right? Now the original car featured a 4-liter engine which was a V8 engine, and then there were two different variants. One produced 210 horsepower, and then the other managed to produce a 240 horsepower, right? And then the torque was around 270 foot-pounds of torque. So it came in 3-speed manual, or you could purchase the 2-speed power glide automatic mode as well, right? So these were the two variants that it came in. Now if you look at the detailing on the front, it's like amazing. The grills and all, it's pretty cool. So this is one of the colors which debuted, which is the Barbie pink. There are also other colors which are coming in the future, which is going to be baby blue if I'm not wrong, and then there is one more with the gray sidelines, and then with the fiery tampos on it. That also looks really nice. I hope I get to collect those as well. It is a pretty neat car. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button or else hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.